Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that's all about smooth, glowing skin, the Truly Beauty Shaving Set. This set includes a shaving cream, shave scrub, and body butter, all formulated to work together to give you a luxurious shaving experience. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Truly Beauty Shaving Set is designed to cater to women with dry skin, offering an exfoliating touch through its carefully selected ingredients. This set includes a shaving cream, a shave scrub, and a body butter, each promising hydration, smoothness, and a refreshing experience. The active ingredient in this set is apricot, known for its nourishing properties. Whether you need to exfoliate before shaving or hydrate afterward, this set seems to have you covered from start to finish. After using this set for a few weeks, I can confidently say it provides a well-rounded shaving experience. The shaving cream lathers nicely, offering a smooth base for a comfortable shave. It feels gentle on the skin, and I didn't experience any irritation, which can sometimes happen with other shaving creams. The shave scrub is where the exfoliation really kicks in, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and prepped for the razor. It's not too abrasive, but does the job well. And the body butter? It's the perfect post-shave treatment. It's thick, but absorbs well, leaving your skin feeling moisturized without feeling greasy. Now let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses. The set's biggest strength is the hydration and exfoliation combo. It targets dry skin effectively, and the apricot ingredient really stands out for its nourishing benefits. The scent is mild but pleasant, making it a nice addition to any skincare routine. However, one downside is that the scrub, while effective, could be a little more exfoliating for those with rougher skin. It's gentle, which is great for sensitive skin, but if you're looking for something more intense, it might not be strong enough. As for value for money, this set is priced higher than typical shaving products, but considering the quality of ingredients and the multi-step approach, it does offer good value, especially for those who struggle with dry skin. The hydration and exfoliation it provides are on par with higher-end body care products. So if you're looking to invest in your skin's health, this set is a solid choice. When comparing it to other shaving kits on the market, Truly Beauty stands out because it targets dry skin with more emphasis on moisturizing and exfoliating, which isn't as common in shaving products. There are other kits out there, but this one seems to have a more holistic approach. It might not be the most budget-friendly option, but if you prioritize skincare in your shaving routine, it's worth considering. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels sturdy and sleek, with each product in a size that makes them easy to handle in the shower. There's no indication that any of the products are prone to drying out or losing effectiveness over time. Since I haven't had the product long enough to test long-term durability, I can't speak to its longevity, but initial impressions are solid. Customer support wasn't necessary for me, but Truly Beauty has a good reputation for being responsive and helpful should you need assistance. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are plenty of other shaving creams or body butters out there that offer similar hydration and exfoliation, though they might not come in a set. But if you want the whole package, Truly Beauty provides an elevated experience. To sum it up, the Truly Beauty Shaving Set excels in providing a well-rounded, hydrating, and exfoliating shaving experience, especially for dry skin. While the scrub could be a bit more intense, the set is a fantastic choice for anyone who values skincare. If you're ready to elevate your shaving routine and pamper your skin, this one's worth trying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest product reviews. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check the comments for the link to grab your own Truly Beauty Shaving Set. If you've tried it, I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, keep it smooth with Beautyistic.